In this video, you'll learn how to display posts from a specific category in WordPress. This process allows you to showcase relevant content on your pages effectively. By following these steps, you can tailor your website to highlight posts that matter most to your audience. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the option labeled Pages. Click on Pages to view the list of existing pages on your site. You may choose to edit an existing page or create a new one by selecting Add New. If you are editing a page, click on the title of the page you wish to modify. This action will open the page editor. Once the editor is open, you will see a plus sign icon, typically located at the top left corner of the editor area. Click on this plus sign to add a new block to your page. After clicking the plus sign, a block selection menu will appear. In the search bar at the top of this menu, type query loop to find the block you need. Once you see the query loop block in the results, click on it to insert it into your page. This block is designed to display a list of posts based on specified criteria. Once the query loop block is added, you will be prompted to filter the posts. Look for the option labeled Filter by Category. Click on this option to open a drop-down menu where you can select the specific category you want to display. Choose the desired category from the list and then click Apply to confirm your selection. Next, you will have the option to customize the layout and the number of posts displayed in the query loop. Look for settings that allow you to choose the layout style, such as grid or list, and adjust the number of posts to show. Ensure that the layout you select fits well with the overall design of your page. After making your selections, review the preview on the right side of the editor to see how it looks. After confirming that everything appears as you want it, locate the Update or Publish button, usually found at the top right corner of the page editor. Click this button to save your changes and make the posts visible on your website. The changes will take effect immediately, allowing visitors to see the posts from the category you selected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.